Hey, how much protein should I be eating?
How much do you weigh right now?
What? What does that matter?
Because your protein intake is based on two things, your lean mass and your goals. So do you want to build muscle or lose fat?
I want to get wrecked.
Okay, then you need zero point 0.8 to 1 gram protein per pound of body weight. Unless
Unless what?
unless you have 30 or more pounds to lose. Because then you should calculate your intake based on your goal weight, or you'll be overdoing with the protein.
Thank you so much. But how do you know all this?
That's because I've been helping people hit their fitness goals for the last 15 years. Hit that follow button so that you don't miss out on the fitness and nutrition tips that I post down.
Done.